Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from, well, it's actually 10:33 p.m. at night. Why am I doing this video? Well, just remembering May 3rd of 1999. Yes, you heard me correct. I can remember in May 3rd, 99, and which is, oh my god, actually still today. Still May 3rd of 2016. Here's why I said May 3rd, 99. On this day back in 1999, towns in Oklahoma, two towns were devastated by a large F5 tornado. Like Bridge Creek, Oklahoma. And then after that tornado moved off, it went straight through the town of Newcastle after hitting Bridge Creek, and then hit Moore, Oklahoma. Yep, hit Moore, Oklahoma, in which about 3 years ago, on May 20th, 2013, Moore, Oklahoma was devastated by another tornado, which y'all may recall about that tornado. Still, May 3rd will never be forgotten by everybody in Moore. Nor will people in Bridge Creek forget this tornado. Yep. Alright guys, don't forget to hit a like. Hit that subscribe button too while you're at it. And plus, tell me your favorite video on this channel and what you would like me to talk about. Alright? Alright guys. You take care. Later.